Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Today's card day, and I have a very easy card today. It has a little detail to it. I just cut out the little dove on here, but ever since I saw this stamp set, I really had this thought in my mind, and it's just so simple. But I love this and the message that it has for Easter. So it just says, He is risen. I have the little dove up here in the little rays. I put some glitter accent on the dove, and I used Wink Stella on the rays. And I know in here, this video, you probably will not be able to see that. The Wink Stella is always hard to see in there. And then the inside just says, wishing you joy and love this Easter. So it's very simple, but I just wanted to share this one because I really wanted to share the true meaning of Easter here. And I thought this one was just so easy for anybody from a beginner to advanced can make this card. All right, so what we're going to do for this, you're going to need a 4 1/4 by 11. You're going to score it at 5 1/2. That's our top folding card. And then you can either use a piece of, this is what I used for the other one, but I'm going to use my stitched rectangles this time, and just to give it a little extra detail. This is 4 by 5 1/4. And I just used the largest stitched rectangle for this. And it's a little bit smaller, but this is what I'm going to use this time on here. And it'll give it just that little stitching extra detail on here. I'm going to try it and see which I like better. All right, so I'm using for this the Rays of Light background stamp. So it's this large one right here that we're going to use. And I'm just going to use it on here. It's a real nice sturdy surface. I've seen people use it on their cases, but it moves a little bit, so I like it better on here. These other stitched rectangles, I'm using the largest in here. And then this is the stamp set, Rejoice in Him. I love this one. It's so pretty. This is such a beautiful image. And I really wanted to use this one. So I'm making this super quick and easy card. All right, so we are going to use first some So Saffron. And I'm just going to ink this right up here on here. Make sure you got it inked up really good because it's a large stamp. All right, I think that's good. And then I'm going to just place this on top here. I'm going to put it in the corner up at the top here. And then I'm just taking a piece of paper. I'm just going to set this over here on top. This is so that it stays in one place and I can just rub it and get the whole image on there. And even if you don't get the full edges, it's okay. But I'm going to make sure I got this really good. And then I'm just going to lift that. And look how beautiful that is. So I'm going to scoot this now out of the way so I don't get ink everywhere. And all we're going to do here is stamp with Memento Black. And I'm going to stamp the He is Risen just right in the center there. And then I'm going to use this piece and we're going to stamp the dove. And I did fussy cut this. If you want to make a bunch, then use your scan and cut. But I am going to also use some of this light gray granite. And I'm just going to kind of accent this. Just in a few places, just to give it a little bit of detail here. And then I'm using my color lifter, and I'm just going to kind of blend that in. So it's going to make it a lot softer looking. All right, now what I did was I just used some of my regular glue here. I used my Dazzling Diamonds right here, and I'm just going to put Let me get this started first. I'm just going to put a little bit along here. I'm not doing a whole lot. It's just really thin, but I wanted just to give him a little. And then I'm going to use my Dazzling Diamonds here on there, and it'll stick to the areas that I put the glue. And it just gives it that little bit of accent on there. I don't know if you can even see this, but it's just really pretty. So I'm going to take my little snips here, and we're going to fussy cut that. So there he is, all cut. Y'all, if you don't use a Swiffer, you need to get one to get all the extra glitter off of your desk. It really, really helps so much. I'm going to cut this point off a little bit here. There we go. I'm going to use a mini dimensional, a regular dimensional actually, on the back of this. And we are going to put him right on top there. This is so simple. You can also, if you want to use glitter, you can just run like your little strips of glue along here and then add it to there. But I thought the Wink of Stella was just perfect for this because it just adds like a little bit of shine. And I'm just going over some of the white areas that are on this ray. So just like it looks like rays are coming from there. And it's just a really little touch there. And then all we have to do, I'm not even popping it up on here. I'm just going to use some of my Stampin' Seal. And we're going to add it to the front. Just like this. This one, the border is going to be wider on it. And then I'm going to just use some Memento and we're going to stamp the inside. I am using these cards, by the way. And you can do your ray any color that you want. I really love the subtleness of the So Saffron. And that is going to be it, y'all. It's super easy to do, but I really like how it turned out. I hope you enjoy it. It's such an easy card to make, and it does send that true meaning of Easter message. So I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all have a blessed day. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Have a blessed one, everyone. Catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.